Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to actually quit a party in Valorant. So, first of all guys, I would need you to go ahead and open Valorant, and then as you can see here, you will see this page. So basically what I will need you to do is, for example, let's say that you want to join a friend. It is pretty much you go to play and you can go here, for example, on whatever friend, and you can click here and request to join if his party was closed. Or you can just go ahead and if you find the party his party was open, you will just click on here and you will find join party. So after you join his party, you want some time to leave the queue because something happens and you really want to quit and go do whatever you like. So how you can do that? It is pretty much simple. There is two ways. The first one, which is asking the guy himself to kick you from the game, so he can just go ahead, click right into you and kick you from the game. Or you can, for example, as you can see here, if I want to play and I click over here, you will find that there is a button to leave the party. Well, now because I am the leader of my party, I will not be able to actually leave the party. So if I was with another guy, with other people in their party, I will be able to actually leave the party from this button, or I can click here and click on this leave party button, which will appear if you're with other people. Just to mention to you guys, you can't really quit the game itself if you click here. So make sure if you like try to quit a party, don't click here in back. You will be still in the party, and if the people started the game, you will start playing with them as well. So make sure guys, before you start playing any game or before you want to quit the game or a party, make sure that you are not in the party. So just click on leave party and then go back and then go click head into play and see if there is anyone with you. If there was anyone with you, make sure to leave the party again and make sure that you left the party. If there's nobody, that means you have successfully left the party. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you a lot for watching.